I like when we set sail at night, and when I'm on the bridge, when I hear the waves and the sound and the silence at the same time.
Traveling as a chef is all about personality and want to discover new things, new people, and here the menu changes every day. So you need to have a massive range of recipe and idea to keep up for all the summer, you know. The culture is in the food, you know, because food is good everywhere. If the chef is passionate and they put an extra mile, everything can be good if it's done with passion.
I've been on my little while at 12 years now already. It's an interesting, dynamic job, of course, traveling, seeing other destinations, meeting people. At times stressful, but never stressful enough. Whoever is connected to the sea throughout their life, they think about it, and they are. I'm sure they are aware that the environment we live in and the nature we live in, which has been given to us to enjoy, that we should take care of it and on whatever means it takes.